Good day, Pollinians. Welcome to Poline ETV, your partner for learning innovation and life formation. This is episode 2, Divisibility Rules. Here is our target for this episode. The Pollinian learner learns to use divisibility rules in finding common factors of two or more numbers. Let's take a look on this example. 23,856,948. How do we know if this number is divisible by 2 even if we don't use the long division method? That is, by looking at the last digit. If the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. Let us analyze the given number. Is it divisible by 2? The answer is yes, it is. Why? Because the last digit is on the list. Let's have another example. 29,856,200. Is this number divisible by 2? The answer is yes. Because the last digit, 0, is on the list. How about this example? How do you know if 22,120,230 is divisible by 3? You need to add all the digits. If the sum of all the digit is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. In our example, 2 plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 0, plus 2, plus 3, plus 0 equals 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? The answer is yes, it is. Therefore, 22,120,230 is divisible by 3. Another example. Is 25,100,100 divisible by 3? The answer is yes. If you add all the digits, the answer is 9, which is divisible by 3. Let's proceed to the next divisibility rule. How do you know if a given number is divisible by 4? Let's take a look on this example. The given example is 29,754,440. To check if this number is divisible by 4, we need to focus on the last two digit. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. In our given, the last two digits form number 40. Is 40 divisible by 4? The answer is yes, it is. Therefore, 29,754,440. Another number. Is 456,789,200 divisible by 4? The last two digits are zeros. Is number 0 divisible by 4? The answer is yes. Therefore, 456,789,200 is divisible by 4. Next divisibility rule, the divisibility rule of 5. How do you know if a number is divisible by 5? The answer is if the last digit of a number is 0 or 5. For example, in the given numbers, 43,966,900, 23,678,125 and 154,967,455, which among them is divisible by 5? By focusing on the last digits, all the numbers are divisible by 5. Let us proceed to divisibility rule of 6. Our given number is 200,315,100. How do you know if this number is divisible by 6? This is by dividing the given number by both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Is the given number divisible by 2? The answer is yes because it ends with 0. Is it divisible by 3? If you add all the digits, 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. The answer is 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 3. This means to say that the given number is also divisible by 6. Next example. 98,121. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, because the sum is 21. Therefore, 98,121 is not divisible by 6. Let us proceed to divisibility rule of 7. The given is 45,365. To know if the given number is divisible by 7, you need to double the last digit and subtract it to the remaining digit. Repeat the process until you come up with 0. In the given 45,365, double the last digit. Subtract 10 from the remaining digit. 4,536 minus 10 equals 4,526. Repeat the process. The remaining answer is not 0 or multiple of 7. Therefore, 45,365 is not divisible by 7. For the divisibility of 8, a number is said to be divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. For example, 23,765,840. The number formed by the last 3 digits is 840. 840 is divisible by 8. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 8. For the divisibility rule of 9, it is the same as the rule of 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. For example, 20,110,212. What is the sum of all the digits? The answer is 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? The answer is yes. Therefore, 20,110,212 is divisible by 9. For the divisibility rule of 10, a number is divisible by 10 if the given number ends with 0. For example, 23,456,980. Is this number divisible by 10? The answer is yes. Why? Because it ends with 0. That ends our tutorial for this episode. This is PoLine ETV, your partner for learning innovation and life formation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos.